Hey dreamers, welcome back to the Canvas Whisper. They say beauty fades but grace that lasts forever. Today I wanted to capture that grace in watercolor. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, not just a name but an emotion of elegance and quiet confidence. And through every stroke, I want to bring that emotion to life. So, let's start this mindful painting together, one shade, one story at a time. I have already done a light pencil sketch, soft and mindful. The curve of her face, the tilt of her head, and the calm in her eyes. Everything starts there. Don't worry about perfection, just feel the flow of lines because portraits aren't drawn, they are felt. Next comes the first watercolor layer. I am using a mix of yellow ochre and a touch of burnt sienna. This gives a golden glow, the warmth of sunlight on skin. Keep your brush soft and water light. Remember, watercolor is a dance between control and freedom. Let it flow, let it settle. Now comes my favorite part, building the depth. I start adding shadows near her eyes and under her cheekbones using diluted brown tones. This is where emotion begins to appear, a hint of thoughtfulness, a whisper of peace. Layer by layer, her story starts unfolding. For her hair, I am mixing burnt umber and sepia to create natural depth. These strands don't have to be perfect, just rhythmic. And the jewelry, that's where I slow down completely. Using fine brush tones, I outline her earrings and handpiece. Tiny golden touches that add royal charm. Aishwarya is known for. For the background, I wanted something soft and warm, like morning light touching her face. So I chose a wash of yellow and light brown. It not only complements her expression but makes the portrait glow. This balance between light and silence is what makes watercolor magical. As the layer dries, I refine the eyelashes, lips, and the gentle fold of her hand. A few white highlights, a tiny shadow, and the story is complete. This portrait, to me, isn't about celebrity. It's about stillness, grace, and inner strength. I prefer working in layers because watercolor is not about control, it's about flow. Let the color blend softly, let it breathe. That's what gives life to portraits. An emotion lies in this portrait. That slight tilt of her face, the closed eyes, and the hint of calm strength. Every stroke tells a story, maybe of silence, maybe of self reflection. You can use a gel pen or a metallic watercolor to highlight tiny details later on. Remember, art does not have to be perfect, it just has to be felt. Sometimes art reminds us that beauty isn't loud, it's quiet and timeless. If this portrait spoke to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And tell me in comments what emotion this painting make you feel. See you in my next video. Until then, keep whispering.